Asking for help on the street.
Hi, are you okay?
Uh, yes, I think so.
Do you need some help?
Yes, I am a bit lost.
Where do you want to go?
I need the bus station.
Which bus station do you know?
Uh, no, I am not sure.
Do you have the address?
Yes, wait 1 second. Here, on my phone.
Okay, let me see it. Oh, this one is close.
Really? That is good.
Walk straight for 5 minutes. Then turn left at the corner.
Turn left at the corner?
Yes, next to the café.
Okay, I see. Maybe.
You will see a big sign.
Big sign? For buses?
Yes, it says bus station.
Oh, that sounds easy.
It is very easy. Don't worry.
Thank you. I was worried.
No problem. Happy to help.
Can I walk there alone?
Yes, it is safe and close.
Okay, I will try now.
Take your time. No rush.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. Good luck.
Talking on the bus.
Excuse me, is this seat free?
Yes, you can sit.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
No problem.
Do you take this bus often?
Not often, maybe 2 times.
Oh, nice. Where are you going?
I go to city center.
Same here, it's my stop too.
Oh, that is good.
Are you new in Manchester?
Yes, I came last week.
Welcome. How do you like it?
It is nice, but confusing.
The buses can be tricky.
Yes, I get lost sometimes.
Do you use a bus card?
No, I pay with cash.
A card is easier, I think.
Oh, I should get one.
Yes, it saves time.
Where can I buy it?
At the station or online.
Okay, I will check later.
Your stop is coming soon.
Oh, really? So fast.
Yes, next stop is yours.
Thank you for telling me.
No problem. Have a good day.
You too. Goodbye. At the cafe.
Hi, are you ready to order?
Not yet. Sorry.
No problem. Take your time.
Thank you. This menu is big.
It is. Many choices here.
Yes, I don't understand everything.
What do you want to drink?
Maybe a coffee? Small one.
Hot or iced coffee?
Hot, please.
Good choice. Anything to eat?
Yes, maybe a sandwich.
Chicken or cheese sandwich?
Cheese sounds good.
Do you want it toasted?
Toasted means hot, right?
Yes, warm and a bit crispy.
Okay, yes. Toasted, please.
Anything else for you today?
No. That is all.
For here or takeaway?
For here, I will sit.
Your total is $8.
Here, I pay with cash.
Thank you. Here is your change.
Thank you. I was nervous.
You did great. Don't worry.
Thanks. I will try again.
Enjoy your meal, Chloe.
Thank you. Have a nice day. At the hotel.
Hello. Welcome to our hotel.
Hi, I have a booking.
Great. What is your name?
It is Lily Turner.
Let me check your booking. Yes, I see it here.
Oh, that is good.
Can I see your ID, please?
Yes, here you go.
Thank you. Just a moment. You booked 2 nights, correct?
Yes, 2 nights only.
Would you like 1 key or 2?
1 key is okay.
Your room is on 3rd floor.
3rd floor. Okay.
The elevator is on your left.
Left. After the desk?
Yes, next to the lounge.
Okay, I think I understand.
Breakfast is from 7 to 10.
Breakfast? Is it free?
Yes, it is included.
Oh, that is nice.
Do you need help with bags?
No, I can carry them.
All right, enjoy your stay.
Thank you. One more question.
Yes, how can I help?
Wi-Fi. How can I use it?
The password is on your key card.
Oh, perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great stay.
Thank you. See you later. In the supermarket.
Hi, can I help you?
Yes, I need help.
What are you looking for?
I need milk and bread.
Milk is in aisle 3.
Aisle 3. Where is that?
Go straight, then turn right.
Go straight, then right. Okay.
Bread is near the milk.
Oh, that is easy.
Do you need anything else?
Yes, eggs. But I cannot find.
Eggs are in the fridge section.
Fridge. Near milk also.
Yes, just next to it.
Okay, I will go there.
Do you have a basket?
No, I carry in hands.
Take a basket. It is easier.
Oh, good idea. Thank you.
The baskets are at the front.
Front? Near the door?
Yes, next to the entrance.
Okay, I will take one.
Do you pay by cash or card?
Card. I think it is better.
Yes, it is quick and easy.
Thank you for your help.
No problem. Enjoy your shopping.
Thanks. I feel better now. Airplane seat mix-up.
Excuse me, I think this is my seat.
Oh, really? I am sorry.
What seat number do you have?
12A, I think.
Mine is also 12A.
Oh, maybe I'm wrong.
Can you check your ticket?
Yes, 1 second, please. Oh, it says 12C. Sorry.
No problem. It happens sometimes.
Sorry. I feel a bit silly.
It's okay. Don't worry.
12C. Is that near here?
Yes, it is across the aisle.
Across means other side?
Yes, just right over there.
Oh, I see it now.
Do you need help with your bag?
Yes, it is a bit heavy.
I can help you with it.
Thank you. That is kind.
Let me put it above.
Oh, thank you so much.
You're welcome. No problem.
Sorry again for the seat.
It's really okay. Don't worry.
Okay. Have a nice flight.
You too. Enjoy your trip.
Taxi takes a different route.
Where are you going today?
To Baker Street, please.
Sure, I will take you there.
Thank you. I am new here.
No problem. Welcome to London.
This road looks different.
Yes, I take another route.
Another route? Why?
There is traffic on Main Road.
Oh, I see. A lot?
Yes, it is very busy now.
Will it take more time?
No, it is actually faster.
Faster. Okay, I trust you.
Thank you. We will arrive soon.
I don't know this area.
It's just a side street.
Side street. Not far, right?
Not far, only a few minutes.
Okay, I feel better now.
Do you visit London often?
No, this is my first time.
Oh, nice. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you. I will try.
We are close to your stop.
Oh, already? That was quick.
Yes, here is Baker Street.
Thank you for the safe ride.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
You too. Goodbye. Wrong change at the cash register.
Hi, your total is $10.
Here. I pay cash.
Thank you. Here's your change.
Wait, this looks not right.
Oh, what seems wrong?
I gave $20.
Let me check again, please. You are right. I'm sorry.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Here is the correct change.
Thank you. I was confused.
It happens. Sorry about that.
I'm not good with numbers.
That's okay. You did well.
I just wanted to be sure.
Always good to check, really.
Yes, I feel better now.
Do you need a bag?
Yes, please, one bag.
Here you go. Have a nice day.
Thank you. You too.
Next customer, please.
Sorry, one more thing.
Yes, how can I help?
This coin, is it $1?
Yes, that is $1.
Oh, now I understand.
Great. Take care.
Thank you. Goodbye. Hotel booking not found.
Hello, how can I help?
Hi, I have a booking.
Sure. What is your name?
It is Emily Clark.
Let me check the system. I cannot find it.
Oh, not found? Really?
Can you show your confirmation?
Yes. 1 second, please. Here, on my phone.
Thank you. Let me see. I see the booking here.
Oh, so it is okay?
It is under a different date.
Different date? How?
It is for tomorrow night.
Oh, I came 1 day early.
It happens. Don't worry.
Do you have a room today?
Let me check availability. Yes, we have one room.
Oh, that is good.
The price is a bit higher.
Higher? How much?
It is £20 more.
Okay, I will take it.
Great. Can I see your ID?
Yes, here you go.
Thank you. Your room is ready.
Thank you for helping me.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you. I will. The soup is cold in the restaurant. Hi, how is your meal?
My soup is cold.
Oh, I am very sorry.
Yes, I cannot eat now.
I am sorry about that.
Can you make it hot?
Of course, I will fix it.
Thank you. I feel hungry.
What kind of soup did you order?
Tomato soup. With bread, please.
Okay, I will bring a hot one.
How long it will take?
Only a few minutes, don't worry.
Oh, okay. I will wait.
Can I get you some water meanwhile?
Yes, please. That is good.
Here is water. Enjoy while waiting.
Thank you. Very kind of you.
The soup will be ready soon.
I hope it is hot this time.
Yes, I will check it myself.
Okay, I trust you.
Here it is, nice and hot.
Oh, perfect. Thank you so much.
Enjoy your meal, James.
I will. Thanks again.
Anything else I can do for you?
No, everything is good now.
Great. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.